Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant shares an important message ahead of this festive season. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant welcomes PM Modi's recently launched campaign Unite to Fight Corona. Here's what CM Dr. Pramod Sawant said.
नमस्कार. कोविड-19 ही जगाची राहिल्ली महामारी आसा. आमचो देश आनी राज्य हातूंतल्यान सुटूंक ना. माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांच्यांनी जॉयंट कॅम्पेन सुरू केला. आमकां ह्या कोविड-19 पासून वाचपा खातीर आनी आमच्या घरच्यांक आनी बाकीच्या सगळ्यांक वाचोवपा खातीर आमी ह्या कॅम्पेनांत सहभागी जावचे पडटले. आनी हे कॅम्पेन आसा आमकां सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग म्हणजे 2 मीटर डिस्टन्स दोगां मदीं सांबाळचें पडटलें. फेस कवर मास्क वापरचो पडटलो. तशेंच आमकां आमचे हात धुवप हे सॅनिटायझर किंवा परत हात धुवप हें करचें पडटलें. आनी हे सगळें सांबाळ्ळें जाल्यारूच म्हाका दिसता आमी कोविड-19चेर मात करपाक शकतले. लेट अस जॉइन फॉर दीस कॅम्पेन आनी आमी कोविड-19 पासून सगळे मुक्त जावया आणि देशाक आणि राज्याकूय मुक्त करूया.
Ahead of the launch on Thursday, PM Modi tweeted several COVID-19 preventive measures. Let's unite to fight corona. Always remember to wear a mask, keep your hands clean, follow social distancing, maintain 2 yards distance from others, he tweeted. The campaign launched to encourage people to help deliver messages of mask wearing, physical distancing and hand hygiene got the Union Cabinet's nod on Wednesday. Mask, social distancing and washing hands are the only weapons to remain safe in the absence of COVID-19 vaccine, Information and Broadcasting Minister Pramod Sawant said. According to an official statement released on Wednesday, the campaign will be conducted in various languages across the country and a COVID-19 pledge will be taken by all. An action plan will be implemented by central ministries and state and union territory departments, the statement said. Dissemination throughout the country using all media platforms, banners and posters at public places involving frontline workers and targeting beneficiaries of government schemes will be part of the plan, the statement added. Union Minister of State for Ayush Shripad Naik welcomes Unite to Fight Corona campaign launched by PM Narendra Modi. The Union Minister appeals to people to wear masks to stop spread of coronavirus.
नमस्कार. आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो मास्क पहनने के बारे में जो अभियान शुरू कर रहे हैं उसके लिए मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी का अभिनंदन करता हूं और इस अभियान का पुरजोर समर्थन भी करता हूं. मास्क न पहनने की हमारी छोटी सी गलती कोरोना वायरस को फैलने का मौका देगी. आने वाले दिनों में बहुत से त्योहार आने वाले हैं. इसी में कृपया आप मास्क पहनिए, कोविड-19 से बचिए. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.